Dear students, last class we discussed few problems on expectations and variance of x. Today we will continue with the problems. The next problem is the random variable capital X has the expectations mu x, that means mean 37.9, and sigma x, this is standard deviation. So if you want the variance, you need to square it. So sigma x is 10.3. The random variable y is obtained from x using this relation. So y is equal to 0.6 x square plus 0.7 plus 7.9x plus 107.1. So first we need to find e of x square, because we need to find the mean of y, right? So if you want to find the mean of y, that means e of y, expectation of y. So we must know what is expectation of x square. Therefore we first find expectation of x square. So sigma x is a standard deviation solution. Given standard deviation is equal to what? Sigma x, that is a standard deviation, which is equal to 10.3. This is the standard deviation. So if you want the variance, so variance of x is equal to sigma x square. So sigma x square is what? Square this 10.3 whole square. So if you square 10.3 whole square, so you will find 106.09. 106.09. So this is the variance. So if you want to find e of x square, we need to recall variance of x is given by the relation. That means sigma x square is given by the relation variance of x is equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square. So here it is expected value of x whole square, so I will write mu x square. So therefore variance of x is equal to therefore e of x square is equal to, so e of x square is equal to, shift it to this side, therefore variance of x minus or plus, so this becomes plus, minus become plus, mu x square. So therefore e of x square is equal to, variance of x is here 106.09 plus mu x square. So square of 37.9, that is 37.9 whole square, 1436.41. So if you square 37.9, you will find 1436.41. So if you add this, you will find e of x square, which is equal to 1542.5. So if you add this, you will get 1542.5. This is e of x square. So now we will find e of y. Therefore e of y is equal to, this is question number A and this is question number B. So e of y is equal to, what is e of y? E of right hand side. And we know that expectation is linear. Therefore we can write it as 0.6 e of x square plus 7.9 e of x. So we can write like this because e is linear, plus expected value of a constant, that is same 107.1. This is equal to 0.6 into e of x square. 0.6 into e of x square is here. So e of x square is 1542.5 plus 7.9 into e of x. So e of x means mean value mu x, which is equal to 37 into 37.9 plus 107.1. So if you simplify this, you will find the answer 1332.01. So 0.6 into 1542.5 plus 7.9 into 37.9 plus 107.1. So answer will be 1332.01. The next problem is, given data here, k values are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then x suffix k, that means the values of the random variable x1 2.1, x2 3.2, x3 4.8. These are the discrete values. 5.4 x4 and x5 is 6.9 and their probabilities 0.2, 0.21, 0.14, 0.19, 0.14, 0.26. The question is, what are the mean and variance of the random variable x? So the random variable x takes these values and their probabilities are here. So we need to find the mean of x as well as variance of x. Solution is, so mean of x is expected value of x. This is the mean of x and it is given by the formula. It is the sum of xk into p of xk. So this is also known as weighted average. So k is equal to 1 to 5. So sum of the values of the random variable with its probability. So sum of xk p of xk from k equal to 1 to 5. So this is equal to, so how to add this? We need to multiply these two. So 2.1 into 0.2 into 0.2. Then since we have the summation plus, for k equal to 2 we have this 3.2 into 0.21. Similarly we have the next one plus 4.8 into 0.19 plus 5.4 into 0.14 plus 6.9 into 0.26. So this is the way we need to find the expected value of x. So just if you simplify this, you will get the answer 4.5540. 4.5540. So this is the expected value of x. To find the variance of x, first we find expected value of x square. So once again the expected value of x square is summation k equal to 1 to 5. Here it is xk square. Then its probability p of xk. This is also known as mean square of the random variable. So this is equal to, so xk square, just you square this into 0.2, that means 2.1 square into 0.2 plus 3.2 square into 0.21 plus 4.8 square into 0.19 plus 5.4 square into 0.14 plus 6.9 square into 0.26. So this is equal to 23.871. If you simplify this, you will get 23.871. So therefore, variance of x, v of x, or variance of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x square. This is equal to, so e of x square we found here 23.871 minus square this 4.5540 whole square. If you simplify this, you will find 3.1321. This is the variance of x. Next, to find variance of w, we need to find expected value of x power 4, because when you square this, you need to find expected value of w square, isn't it? So if you square it, you will find x power 4. Therefore, let us find, before we find mean and variance of this, let us find this expected value of x power 4. So with the same formula, we have this summation k is equal to 1 to 5 xk power 4 into the probability p of xk. That means what we need to do is, we have to take 2.1 power 4 into 0.2, similarly 3.2 power 4 into 0.21, 4.8 power 4 into 0.91, 5.4 power 4 into 0.41, 6.9 power 4 into 0.26. So if you do the simplification, you will get this answer. This is equal to 815.28. So we already found expected value of x square equal to 23.871, expected value of x power 4 is equal to 815.28. So next we need to find expected value of w, given w is equal to x square plus 1, right? Therefore expected value of w will be equal to expected value of x square plus 1. Since E is linear, we can write it as expected value of x square plus expected value of 1, that is 1. So therefore expected value of x square is given here, that is 23.871 plus 1. So this is equal to 24.871. So next we find expected value of w square. So w square is equal to what? W square is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. This is w square. So which is equal to x square whole square, that is x power 2 into 2, 4, plus 2 times x square into 1. So 2 times first value into second value, first term into second term, that is x square into 1 is x square, plus square of the second term, 1 square, that is 1. Therefore expected value of w square is equal to expected value of x power 4 plus 2 times x square plus 1. Since E is linear, so we can write it as expected value of x power 4 plus 2 times expected value of x square plus 1. Expected value of x power 4 we found earlier, that is equal to 815.28. Substitute 815.28 plus 2 times expected value of x square is here, that is 23 into 23.871 plus 1. So which is equal to 864.022. Therefore variance of w is equal to expected value of w square minus expected value of w whole square. This is the variance of w. So which is equal to expected value of w square is 864.022 minus expected value of w whole square. So expected value of w is 24.871 whole square. So if you simplify this, this is equal to 265.33. So this is the variance of w. So let us consider the next problem. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. So random variable x takes the values -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and its probability mass function is 0.1 k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3, 3k. When x equal to 3, it is 3k. When it is 2, 0.3. So similarly others. So we need to find the value of k. So solution is, to find the value of k, what we should do is add the probabilities and equate it to 1. Because of the property of the probability mass function, sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Therefore we know that the sum of the probabilities, these are the probabilities, its sum is equal to 1. What is that sum? 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus 3k should be equal to 1. So therefore add these k's. How many k's? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. So therefore we have 6k plus 0.6 is equal to 1. So from this you shift it to the other side. So 6k is equal to 0.4, or k is equal to 4 by 60. 4 by 60 can be written as 1 by 15. So therefore the k value is 1 by 15. So next we need to find p of x less than 2. So p of x less than 2 is the probability that x less than 2. That means we have to add the probabilities up to 1. Less than 2 means probability that x equal to minus 2 plus probability that x equal to minus 1, 0, 1. Or else you can do this way also. Since the sum of the probability is equal to 1, you can write it as 1 minus probability that x, if it is less than, take its complement, greater than or equal to 2. This way also you can do. So this is equal to 1 minus of probability that x greater than or equal to 2 is this, 2 and 3. Probability that x greater than or equal to 2 is probability that x greater than or equal to 2 is probability of 2 plus probability of 3. That is 0.3 plus 3k. So 0.3 is probability that x is equal to 2 plus probability that x equal to 3. So this is equal to 1 minus probability that x equal to 2 is 0.3 plus 3k. Substitute k equal to 1 by 15 and simplify this to get 0.5. So similarly, so probability that minus 2 less than x less than 2 will be equal to, so it is the probability that x lies between minus 2 and 2. So where we have the values which lies between minus 2 and 2, it is minus 1, 0, 1. Therefore we need to find probability of minus 1 plus probability that x equal to 0 plus probability that x equal to 1. Minus 1, 0, 1. So this is equal to, so probability that x equal to minus 1 is k, probability that x equal to 0 is 0.2 plus probability that x equal to 1 is 2k. This is k plus 2k, 3k plus 0.2. So substitute k equal to 1 by 15 and simplify to get 0.4. So next, mean value. So mean value of x, expected value of x is equal to summation x into fx of x, value of the random variable into its probability. So which is equal to minus 2 into 0.1 minus 1 into k plus minus 1 into k, that becomes minus 1 into k, and then 0 into something is 0, so 0 into 0.2 is 0. Next 1 into 2k, that means 2k, 2 into 0.3 plus 2 multiply with 0.3, 0.6. So 3 into 3k, 3 3s are 9k. So therefore 9 plus 2, 11k minus 1k, that is 10k. 10k. So minus 2 into 0.1 minus 0.2 plus 0.6, that is plus 0.4. Substitute k equal to 1 by 15 and simplify to get the answer 1.0667.